Today we're going to be talking about expressions and formulas. And the first lesson, this is about order of operations. So you want to remember our 4 steps for orders of operations. Evaluate expressions inside grouping symbols. So things like parentheses, things like square roots, absolute value signs. Evaluate inside there first. A lot of you guys are used to thinking about that as P. And then any powers, many of you are thinking exponents. Then we go through and we multiply or divide from left to right. You can do those all at one time. And then add and subtract, which I formed PEMDAS, which you guys are used to. Something that I remember when I was a student is this was an acronym for please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that would tell me what order I'm going to be doing my order of operations in. Our first example, we're going to be evaluating the expression. I give us A, we have B, and we have C. So we're going to substitute in. So we have 6A. A is a value of 2/3 minus C, which is a -2. That's all over C squared, which was -2, minus A, which was 2/3, times by B, which was 9. So we go through and we simplify. 6 times 2/3. Remember, that's like saying 6 over 1. The 6 and the 3 can cancel to become a 2, so I have a 4 minus a negative plus 2 on top. -2 squared is 4. 3. The 3 and the 9 cancel to be 3. So I have 4 minus 6. So I have 6 over a -2, which is going to simplify to be -3. Okay, now again, evaluating the expression, just a little bit more complicated. X is 5. Y is -2. Z is a -1. So we have 8 times X, which is 5, times by a Y, which is -2, plus whatever Z is cubed. Z is a -1, and that's all over Y squared plus 5, and Y was a -2. So let's simplify this top. 8 times 5, that's 40, times by a -2 is -80. -1 cubed is a -1. -2 squared is 4 plus 5. So I have a -81 over a 9, which is going to simplify to be a -9. Our next example, we have the area of a trapezoid, and they give us the formula where height, h, is going to be height, and base 1 and base 2 are our bases. So find the area of the trapezoid with base length. So they tell me the base is 13, the other one is 25, and we have a height of 8 meters. So our area is 1/2 the height, which is 8, and then base 1 plus base 2. Do everything inside your parentheses first. One half times 8, well, that's 4. 4 times 38 is 152. And if I give you units, make sure you give me units back. They give us a unit of meters. Area is a measure of how many square units I can fit in one given area. So our area is 152 meters squared. Okay, here are your lesson questions. So just as a reminder, on the website, you're going to fill in the Google form with a lesson summary, a question that you had from the lesson, and then you're going to give me the answers to these 2 lesson questions. And please make sure that is submitted on time.